Welcome to another video on how to maximize your time and profit more with EverLogic. Today, we will discuss how EverLogic allows you to search and create new repair orders. The first thing we need to do is open a new repair order. When you are in EverLogic, go to the Parts and Service tab, go to the Service section, click on New Repair Order, and a new repair order form will open. If you are looking for an existing repair order, you have several options to find the one you're looking for. If it is a recent repair order, you can look in your recently used list. Click on the EverLogic icon, select the one you want from your list, and it will open your repair order. If this isn't a repair order that you've looked at recently, but you know the repair order number, you can use the Quick Search button. Click on the Home tab, type your repair order number into the search line, and hit Enter. EverLogic will then quickly search its database for anything that has that number combination. If it finds a repair order that matches, it will typically open that repair order for you, or you can select it from a list. You can also find an existing repair order by using Search Repair Orders. Click on the Parts and Service tab, navigate to the Service section, and click on Search Repair Orders. The search box gives you many ways to refine your search if you can't remember the repair order number. For example, you could search for an open repair order with the customer's last name. Click on the Open button, type in the customer's last name, and hit Search. When it opens up, find the customer you are looking for. Double-click it, and EverLogic will open up the repair order you are looking for. Lastly, if you are adding a new repair order type, EverLogic allows you to do it quickly. To create a new repair order type, go to the System Setup. Under Service, click Repair Order Types, then click New. Once you have added the important information, click OK. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about how EverLogic can help your dealership grow, give us a call, 904-998-4066. Email us at support@everlogic.com or schedule a free demo by clicking on the link below.